Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your TurboTax account. It's important to know that due to legal requirements, a complete deletion of your entire account, especially if you've filed taxes, might not be possible. However, you can certainly request to delete your personal data and close your account. Before you begin, make sure to download and securely save all your important tax documents and records. This ensures you retain access to your financial history, which is crucial for future reference. To start the deletion process, first, log in to your Intuit account manager. Once you're successfully logged in, look for the Data Privacy section, usually found in your account settings. Here, you'll find an option to delete your data. Click on this and then follow the clear, step-by-step instructions provided. You will be able to choose exactly which account and product data you would like to have removed from the system. After submitting your request, you will be prompted to verify your identity. This is a crucial security step to ensure that only you can authorize the deletion of your sensitive financial information. Please be aware that even after your request, Intuit may be legally required to retain certain tax records for a specific period. The entire data deletion process typically takes up to 45 days to be fully completed and confirmed. Once your deletion request is processed and confirmed, you will no longer have access to your TurboTax account or any past tax returns stored within it. This is why saving all your important documents beforehand is absolutely essential. If you have any unique concerns or specific questions about your data's removal, it's always a good idea to reach out directly to TurboTax customer support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.